Frame I'm making, guys, for the RV. It's going to be a queen size, and it's no box spring, so it's got to hold the mattress. Mattress is 14 inches thick, and so this is it. This is long ways, so the outside edge, this side edge all the way along, will be 60 by 80, and the mattress will fit on that, but the frame underneath will be in 1.5 inches to lock into what's inside the RV. Inside the, like, basically it's a ledge. So inside the RV, this will be sticking out right here 1.5 inches, and that's ledging. But underneath, it'll be right. There'll be about 1/8 of an inch clearance for the whole bed, and it'll sink down into that and kind of lock in there. You know, it won't be able to move. But then it's an elevator bed, so it's going to be coming up, boom, to the ceiling, and then back down. But it'll be nice and snug. So this is my frame I just made. I'm just lining up these pieces right now. They're not on there yet. And then I have underneath also, it's going to be a bunch of these slats like this. So for string, so it doesn't bow. So you got these don't want to bend down, so a bunch of these lined up like this underneath it. Basically, it's going to be a bunch of those. So like those, but lined up, you know, underneath, parallel to these. So all those will like big ching, 1, 2, 3. It'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lined up, and that's just for support, and so it doesn't bow down. So the idea really is to make this thing as thin as possible, as light as possible, because it's elevator bed. I got to pull it up manually, so thin as possible and light as possible, but strong, and so also it doesn't flex and bend. So it should be pretty tough, man. It's pretty tough. I got the 6-inch on the side here to really secure. Things won't be able to move around at all. So I'm really happy. This, I just bought $60 of wood for this, and then the existing wood. So looking at about $70 of wood, 2003 December prices to make this. I got a bunch of scrap over here. Got a 2x3 over there. I don't think I'm going to use that, but yeah. So here we go. I'm very happy. I like the little slats underneath for support. I figured instead of having beams like that, you know, square beams, having them like this, they'll be less prone to bend. Because a square can bend, but a rectangle like that doesn't want to bend, like an I-beam. So I'll just put, instead of 5 2x2s, I just use 10 of these little 1x2s, you know, and gives you more strength and whatnot. So that's what we're doing. So I'm very happy, man. I'm finishing this up tonight. So I just got staples in, kind of staples, and then I'll secure screws, you know, nice screws sink in these posts. But I just got stapled down and glued, screwed and glued the whole thing. So we're just lining up these slats so I can glue them and air gun them down. Having so much fun, you guys. So much fun. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna finish this up, and then it's gonna fit in the RV, no problem. I'm not ready yet. I still got to do a couple things in the bedroom, but it should be good. And it's man, it's gonna be barely fit to go in the RV and get back there. But I measured it, and it should be able to get in to my RV and get it back to the bedroom. But yeah, that's that. I'm very happy. So the thinness is like that. So only about 2.5 inches or less. A little less than 2.5 inches total thick. That's it. And then underneath, I'm going to put fabric underneath, because it's going to go to the ceiling. So there'll be fabric underneath it, so it'll look good. It'll look like a ceiling up there, you know. It'll go up to the ceiling, and underneath will be fabric underneath the underside of that, so it looks nice. Because you'll see the underside of my bed, because this elevator bed goes up, and then it reveals a hidden couch and a whole area. So my whole bedroom area is usable. It's got a bunch of stuff, and then as soon as this goes up to the ceiling and all the areas accessible, and it will reveal a hidden couch. But super excited. I'll keep it posted. But yeah, I'm having fun, man. If you're not having fun, what the hell are you doing? Basically, my framing area for the bed frame to come down. It's basically the cutout size right here is basically 57 by 77, and there'll be a frame underneath, and then there'll be a frame underneath my my bed frame I'm making, and then it'll stick out, the edge will stick out 1.5 inches, and it'll rest. So it's going to rest on the first 1.5 inches here. It's going to rest on that. So basically, you know, the frame underneath, and then the pallets will rest right there and there. So basically, the bed's going to rest 1.5 inches down on this ledge here. But it'll be elevator bed, so it's going to come up. It's going to go up. It's going to go up to the ceiling, stay there, and come down. But yeah, got that ready. So I'm making the frame right now in the garage, making the queen bed frame. It's 2.5 inches thick, and then, you know, try to make it as sturdy as possible, but as light as possible and as thin as possible. So I did that the best I could do structurally. So there's my little frame there, and then this is going to be a couch. Right, once the thing comes up, they're going to see an upholstered couch right there in the front. Little pillows that go over the side for armrests, and I'll put pillows back. But yeah, this will be a hidden couch underneath, and then this will be a little table right here. It's going to be popping out, a little table, and can have 2 chairs there to use. A little table here that'll be right at this level, right at window level. Pop out a table coming out to like about like there. Fold out. It's going to pop out. So, and we've got storage right here. Storage right there, and so making progress here. Progress.